Here are 6 things to consider before selling your home. Number 1 is to consider repairs. You have to repair the little things like the leaky toilets or the broken light switch, the things that you've been ignoring for probably a really long time. Might not seem like a big deal to you, but when buyers start noticing these little things that are broken, in their mind, they start thinking, okay, what else? What other big things are broken? So definitely fix the little things. The second, just make simple little updates like freshen paint. You want to have neutral colors throughout, and fresh coat of paint is the least expensive thing that you can do to make your house more sellable. The third thing is replacing old dated light fixtures. You can get some really great light fixtures at Home Depot and Lowe's or online stores like Amazon and Lightology. You could pick up some super inexpensive, really modern, nice light fixtures that'll just change the whole look of your home. Another thing to do is remove heavy, dated curtains and valances, and you can replace them with inexpensive white, light, and bright cotton curtains from Home Goods, or just leave the window naked. Now, I know you've all heard this one before. It's super important to clean like you've never cleaned before. If you don't want to clean it, then hire somebody to clean it. Having a clean home goes a really long way. Get rid of any smells, pet smells, smoke, and if you can smell it, you won't be able to sell it. And finally, it's super important to have professional photos taken. Now, I know our iPhones can all take great photos and selfies of your family, but it really cannot capture the essence of a home. Professional photos and drone video will make your home shine and really stand out amongst the others. Every week, I record new videos on real estate. We do home walkthroughs and give you tips and tricks on buying and selling. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button.